Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Valorant on Epic Games. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is head to the official Epic Games store website and download the launcher for Windows. The installation process is quick and pretty straightforward. Simply run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. This will include an installation location, so where you're actually going to be installing the launcher, as well as some personal preferences, like if you want a icon on your desktop or added to your start menu. Now launch Epic Games Launcher and sign in with your existing Epic Games credential. If you're new, go ahead and create an account for yourself. This will only take a few minutes, and then you can unlock some of their game libraries and some exclusive offers. Now, use the search functionality at the top of the launcher to find Valorant and navigate to the game's official store page and click the prominent Get button to add this to your library at no cost. Now you can confirm your free order in your checkout screen. There's no payment information required. You can now switch to your library tab. You can find Valorant in your collection and click on install to begin downloading the game file to your preferred drive. This again would be any location that you would prefer. Valorant's anti-cheat system, Riot Vanguard, installs automatically during setup to ensure fair competitive play. After the installation completes, go ahead and restart your computer to activate Vanguard's protection system. Once your PC has restarted, open Valorant from your Epic Games library, sign in with your Riot Games account credentials, or again create a new account if this is your first Riot title, and you're ready to enter the battlefield.